this is a fun one. Essentially, this machine, the EMSELLA, is like doing 12,000 Kegels in 30 minutes. So I'm doing it more for vaginal rejuvenation, and it also strengthens your pelvic floor. So for me, it's more of a maintenance thing before things start to, I guess, age.
Well, that's true, actually. You don't necessarily have to wait for you to have problems to do maintenance. You know what I mean? Well, I had a problem if I did it. Come on now. I'm 49. Well, I'm not 49 yet. I'm 48 years old, and in a few months I'll be 49. So as we get older, the body begins to fall apart. We begin to have problems. It's not like we do anything wrong, really. But you know, the things you eat, and naturally the body falls apart. It's the aging process, and we need maintenance, we need repairs, and there's nothing wrong with that. So the BTL EMSELLA just offers you many benefits for men and women, actually. For me, I use it for for stress urinary incontinence. I'm laughing when I said it because of my experience. You know how you laugh and you feel like you're leaking, or you sneeze and you pee your pants? No, it actually didn't happen to me. I swear it happened to me. I was talking to a client and they said something and I just busted out laughing.
So maybe it's a good thing that I'm here.
I busted out laughing and I literally peed in my pants. So I said to myself, oh my God, thank God I have the machine. So I started sitting on that. I mean, you need 6 treatments. I've done 4, so I have 2 to go. You need it twice a week for 3 weeks. With the 6 treatments, you're good to go. And then maintenance once every month, or once every 3 months, or once every 6 months, depending on the severity of your problem. But these are the benefits I have to tell you. I can't wait to tell you that. For women, it heals stress urinary incontinence or urinary incontinence, and then it heals. It's because it strengthens the pelvic floor muscles. You know, it helps to restore your vaginal moisture. It helps to tighten your vaginal canal. Yes. You know, as you make babies or menopause, you know, you feel that vaginal loose, darling. It's natural. Or if you're very active sexually, of course, you know, different size of penises and stuff. So you need this machine. It's okay, darling, it's no big deal. So you need the machine. You sit on the machine. It strengthens your pelvic floor muscles. So it restores your vaginal moisture. You don't have to constantly lubricate when you want to have, you know, sexual intercourse. Yes. And then, you know, it tightens your vaginal canal, and it stops you from peeing on your pants like you did EEFFY. All right. And then for men, it heals, you know, erectile dysfunction. If you're suffering from ED, you know, the erectile dysfunction, this is the right machine for you, because it also strengthens your pelvic floor muscle. It helps you control your ejaculation. It helps with prostate issues and heals stress urinary incontinence. Overall, it elevates your confidence. You know, it helps you be more comfortable with yourself and peaceful, because when you have these health issues, it actually affects you. It affects you subconsciously and dictates your, you know, your conscious mind, of course. And that, you know, affects everything that you do. Because when we're emotionally stifled, it affects every facet of our lives. So if you have the, you know, stress urinary continence, and, you know, you suffer from vaginal dryness, looseness, you know, erectile dysfunction, prostate issues, all of these things, or you can't control your ejaculation, you're not enjoying sex, darling, come to EEFFY Med Spa Wellness Showroom, 2615 Ponce de Leon Boulevard. We have all these machines. What we're talking about, darling, Tesla, technology, and we can provide you with everything. Look at this young woman. She's beautiful, she's young, she's healthy. So, but she's doing it for maintenance, right? I have young patients, yes, just for maintenance. I have young patients. I have patients that are 25, 26, 27-year-olds. They come sit on this machine to maintain, you know, their vaginal health. There's nothing wrong with that. I have men who are confident. They want to fix their problems. They come and sit here, you know, to solve their problems. So don't be embarrassed. We all have these issues one way or the other at some point in our lives, and we need to fix them. Instead of going through surgery, this is easy. You sit on it like the way she's sitting. Separate your legs, because it has to be between your scrotum and your anus, or between your vaginal and your anus, because that's where you have your vaginal, sorry, that's where you have your pelvic muscle. And so this thing strengthens it. So what it does is the Kegel exercise, like you said earlier. So it contracts, and then it uses the pulse and contraction. And darling, you don't have to do anything. It does it for you, right? And then you get your healing that you deserve and you desire so much. Yeah?
Do it.